How you doing? Scotty Bear. We are back with another video. This video is about Texas blizzards. That's right. I too am stuck in the Texas blizzard. Some interesting thing about the Texas blizzard is that people in Texas driving with their hazard lights on, like this gentleman here. Now, this is particularly interesting situation here. People driving with their hazard lights on. Because from what I can tell, or what the driver's manual told me when I was 16 years old, is that driving with your hazard lights is indeed a crime. And now, if you are that big a hazard or feel like you need to drive with your hazard lights on, you need to pull off the road, because you are indeed a hazard. Interesting. Now, you know, I mean, this is why they have 100 cars piled up, is because these people are not even prepared, nor do they understand driving. I mean, it's ridiculous. Oh, see, there's a real pro right there from Colorado. See, not even have his lights on. Not needed. Let's go around these fools. And here we are. Guy with a truck in front of me with his hazard lights on because he doesn't know how to drive. Like, that's, you know, he's a hazard in the road. He needs to get off the road. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful Valentine's. Stay off the road if you're a hazard.